Hi friends, my name is Rajshekar Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. In this video, we are trying to create a AWS EC2 instance, and how exactly we are going to create a EC2 instance, we are going to see in this video. For that, we need to have a AWS account. Just if you don't have the account, just go there and create an account. Just link your credit card, and you can the account creation is very simple. After that, what I am trying to do is just I am trying to create a EC2 instance here. Just in the search box, search here EC2. You can see that this is the EC2 instance, and you can see that the running instances are 0. So what I am trying to do is just when you scroll down, you can see that there is a launch instance is there. Just click on launch instance. Here what I am trying to do is there are different flavors are available. I am selecting only the free tier only, so that it will not be charged from your credit card. What I am selecting the free tier only, and here I am trying to create Amazon Linux to AMI, and what I am trying to do is, and I am selecting the 64-bit. Just select it. And there are different types of processor available, that is nano, micro. If you select nano means only one CPU with 0.5 GB RAM will be available, and if you select a micro means only one CPU with 1 GB of RAM you will get, and if you select a small, and you will get one CPU with 2 GB of RAM. You can see that there are different types are available, and I am selecting it as a default only T2 micro I am selecting. After that, click on configure and click on configure. After that, you can see the configure instance details, and if you want to have if you want to have 2 instances running, and change the number to 2. If you want 3, you can give the 3, and then it will create 3 instances of your EC2 Linux systems. It will be created, and here I am selecting everything as default only. I am not touching anything. And click on review and launch, and it will give the details here, AMI details and the instance types. If you want any security group, just you can add it here. If you want to add any security group, you can add from here. I am leaving everything as default, and click on review and launch. Click on launch, and it will ask a key pair. In order to connect your EC2 instance from your Putty or WinSCP, we need to have this key pair. Otherwise, you will not able to create. You will not able to access it. What I am trying to do is I am trying to create a new pair. I am giving as first EC2. I am giving first EC2. I mean, click on download key pair. It will download first EC2.pem file. It will download. After that, launch instance. It will take for a while in order to download that, in order to create our EC2 instance. Meanwhile, you don't have the Putty installed in your machine, and I will provide links in the description. Just go there and download it. If you want the Putty, and select the 64-bit, and if you want the WinSCP, and I will give the link in the description. Just go there and download it. And in my system, Putty is not working, so that's why there is alternate tool for Putty, that is MobileXTRAM. This is the MobileXTRAM. This is one of the client in order to access. It is also look like the same Putty only. I am downloading. I have installed this also, and the installation is simple. Just click on next. Everything is. Now what I will do is, now let me go there and check it out whether my instance got created or not. Just select here EC2. You can see that the running instances are 1. Click on it. You can see that my instance is got up and running. Let me give the name here. so that it is easy to find. First EC2, and this is my EC2 instance. Now what I'm trying, it is not got initialized. You can see that it is the status is initializing. Let me refresh it. It will take for a while in order to. Meanwhile, what I will do is let me open my, in order to connect with our Putty, what we need to do is search here PuttyGen. We got PEM file we got downloaded, right? We need to load it. Just click on load and download that. Open that PEM file here. First EC2 PEM file. Just we need to open it in order to convert to .ppk file. And if you want to secure your that public key, we need to give the password here. If you want to give the password, here I am giving the password. And if you want to save public key or private key, anything is fine. If anyone want to connect to your EC2 instance, we need to have this key, otherwise we are not able to access this one. I am giving the same file name, first ec2.ppk. It will create, previously it have first ec2.pem file, and we are converting to .ppk file so that we can connect with our Putty or any other SSH clients. Now what I am trying to do is, if you want to connect to this one, just we need to select it, just click on connect, and it will give the public DNS name, or you can access by using the public IP will be there. You can use by using this public IP you can access, or you can access by using public DNS. Anything is fine. Now what I am trying to do is, I am trying to use this public DNS. I am trying to copy it. First I will show you how exactly you can connect with by using Putty. I am trying to open Putty. Give the host name, whatever the public DNS name you have, just I am giving the same name here. And in order to connect with, just in the category selection, just click on SSH auth and browse that .ppk file. This is the ppk file. Just click on open. Click on open. Click on yes. And we need to give the username as EC2-user. Anyone connecting to the Linux system, we need to give the same username. Click on user. And when I am converting my PEM file to .ppk file, I have used one password, so that it is asking the password to enter me. I am giving the password here. Click on enter. Now I am able to connect to my EC2 instance. You can see that. Let me try some commands. ls, nothing is available. Let me try with who am I. It giving the user, EC2-user, and pwd. I am trying. You can see that now I am currently in the home/EC2-user. Like that we are able to connect with Putty. If you want to connect with same with the WinSCP, I already given the link in the description. Just go there and download it. If you want to connect it, just type here WinSCP. And if you want to connect here, just give the host name, public DNS name or IP address, public IP you can give here. And username we need to give EC2-user, and no need to give the password here, just go advanced. And we need to select here SSH authentication, and we need to browse that ppk file. If anyone want to connect our Amazon Linux system, we need to give this ppk file is mandatory, otherwise we are not able to connect it. Click on open, click on OK, and trying to log in it, just click on yes. It is asking the password, click on OK. You can see that now I am able to connect to my Amazon Linux system EC2 by using WinSCP. This is the way in order to connect to WinSCP. And I have one more tool installed, that is Mobextron. Let me connect with that also. If you want to connect it, just click on session, click on SSH. We need to give the host name. The same, we need to give the host name, the public DNS name or the public IP address we can access. Click on the advanced setting, advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Click on browse. First EC2.ppk file we need to select. Click on open. Click on OK. It is asking the username EC2-user and asking the password. Let me enter the password. Now I am able to connect to my EC2 instance. This is the way in order to connect with our EC2 instance. Suppose if you want to install Java in your EC2 Amazon Linux system, we need to download it. By using there are some commands we need to do. First, let me check whether Java is installed in my machine or not. Java, type Java, click on enter. You can see that Java is not installed. We can confirm it. Let me clear the screen. If you want to install Java, let me first run sudo yum update. Click on enter. It is trying to update the packages installed in your EC2 Linux system first. It will take for a while in order to install Java in your machine. First, I am trying to update the packages in my Linux. You can see that the packages got updated. Let me clear the screen. If you want to install the Java, sudo yum install Java. And if you want to install any specific version, just give the specific version. If you don't want any specific version, just click on enter. It will try to install the Java. What I will do is I want to install Java 1.8 version. I am giving Java 1.8.0. Click on enter. It will take for a while to install Java. You can see that it is trying to get the OpenJDK Java 1.8 and it is trying to install. You can see that now it got installed. Let me clear the screen. In order to confirm whether Java is installed or not, let me type the Java version. To confirm which version of Java is installed, you can say Java 1.8.0 version is installed. This is how exactly we can download and install Java in our machine, EC2 Linux system. And how exactly we need to terminate. Now I finished my work. What I will do is let me terminate it. In order to terminate it, let's just select our EC2 instance, click on actions, go to instance state, and if you stop means it is nothing but shutdowning your system only. What I will do is I am trying to terminate means after when you terminate it, it will be deleted, that our EC2 instance image will be deleted from our, so that it will not be charged. It will not be charged for you. This is how exactly we can create EC2 instance in the system, and how to install Java in EC2 instance. And thank you friends, thank you for watching. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.